welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another hair giveaway for you guys. I did take a poll on my Instagram page and it was a yes or no question, and I asked you guys if you guys really like these AliExpress hair giveaways, and 87 or 86% of you guys said yes. So I'm here to give you guys another hair giveaway, and this hair giveaway will be sponsored by Nadula Hair. I've heard a lot about them on YouTube. So Nadula Hair, they reached out to me to give this giveaway to you guys, and the rules are super simple, and there will also be 3 winners. So if you're interested in seeing how to enter this giveaway, just keep on watching. Okay, so like always, I will have all of the rules in the description box below so you guys don't miss anything. You know exactly what you need to do to enter and have a better chance of winning some hair. So the first thing is to subscribe to Nadula's Hair on their YouTube channel. So make sure you go to the description box and click that link so you go to the exact right page and you can subscribe to their channel. The second rule is to follow Nadula Hair on their Instagram page, which will also be linked below. And lastly, there will be 5 options that you can click on in the description box, and all you have to do is comment which one is your favorite, the type of hair that you like in your Instagram or email, just so we can reach out to you in case you are one of the 3 lucky winners. So it's very important that you subscribe to Nadula Hair on their YouTube channel, just because a lot of the companies like to announce the winners on that platform. So if you're not subscribed to them, you won't know when they are announcing the winner, and you could possibly be the winner. So make sure you subscribe. That's very important. So that's basically all you have to do for this giveaway. All of these giveaways are usually super simple, and yeah, you just pretty much have to have like a social media account. But that's basically all for this giveaway. It's super easy and you really don't have to do much. But to the important part, the 3 winners will be winning 3 separate prizes. So the first winner will win 3 bundles of 18 inches. The second winner will win 3 bundles of 14 inch. And the third winner will win a $20 gift card to their store. So if you want to purchase some hair, you can get $20 off, and the hair is already affordable. So that $20 gift card will come in handy. So that concludes this hair giveaway. Make sure you guys comment down below your favorite option out of the 5, the hair type, and also your Instagram or email, just in case you are that winner. We can reach out to you and you can claim your prize. So thank you so much, Nadula, for doing this for my back to school students, because school starts next month. And yeah, thank you so much. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.